So welcome back guys to a new video. So in last video I have told you some advanced features of print statement, but now in this video I'm going to tell you some more advanced feature of print statement. Yes, it's third day of print statement. Yes, I know it, but you just guys wait and watch what things I'm going to do. So here's the main.py. Let me open this in anti-gravity, and we will also be opening these both in anti-gravity. So in last video I have told you the types of strings in print statement that we can use in print. So in this video I in last video I have left two. So in this video I'm going to cover that both. So you guys just wait and watch. Select folder, and if you want these files, just comment down below. I'm going to send you definitely. Okay. So here's the txt. In this video, except that two extra print statement, I'm going to tell you more escape sequence character. Yes, means the all escape sequence character that exist. And if you really accept me, these are just useless. Some somewhat are important, but other are just useless. Like one is for backspace. Yes. Yes, somewhat are useful. I'm going to tell you which one are for our day-to-day Python. And here's one more: Unicode names. Ignore. So here are the Unicode characters I'm going to tell you, and it have 1 lakh Unicode characters. If I tell you this, 1,38,552. See this now. So in this video I'm going to tell you. So firstly, what what the two print statement type of print strings I have left, that were print print, and this one is row string. If you have any backslash in your code, so the row string will help for that. This is generally the row string is generally used for only the paths, because the paths have backslashes now. Like if I, it won't give, it just didn't need to give any error like this. And if I remove the row command over that, it will give an error. Yes, because this backslash is used for an escape sequence characters, so that's why the row command is useful. And if I hit enter and write print, like if you need to write multiple lines, like a letter you need to write, so you do what, like two wait a minute, the dash. Okay, so at this place you can do what, uh it what the thing it happened. See, there are three one, so you now you can write multiple lines. And you know that if I just try to write multiple lines over here, it gives an error. For this thing, this triple quotes are used for. Okay, Now all the previous video, the thing that is left from the previous video are here. You must don't have any problem. Okay. Now, what are escape sequence character? These are just extraordinary features that are provided by Python. So, like generally that are used. Firstly, is this backslash n, most common. If I tell, this creates a new line, like in output. If I write this thing, p two two. Now, if I write backslash n, now the this. Now see, these and this must be the same, and you can use the multiple line over here. You can see. Okay, okay. This is left, and both are same. This is just below this. You can see, and after the gap, you can see it. So this is the backslash n is used for this thing. Okay. Okay. Uh, here is a double and single quote. Like if you need to write print, wait, this is of Manpreet. Manpreet. Okay. If you need to write this type of sentences, like this is Manpreet's car, like this is Manpreet's car. What happened here? It's given error. I have only done that comma. Like if I try to get an output, it gives an error. Why? Because what the single quote does, this print statement, here is the bracket, and then here is the starting quote. Then this is line, and then here's the ending quote. These both are same. And then what this thing is? This is nothing. And then this the starting quote again. Yes, but you can solve this problem very easily. How? By doing this. So this is starting quote, this is ending quote, and this aren't same. So the Python thinks this is starting, this is ending. But if I just um write this over here, it gives an error. So for just removing this error, we use backslash, then single or double quotes that we need, like single or double double. Okay, now it not given error, it just this thing. Okay, now you got it. What I was supposed to tell you. Okay, now the first one is done, second one is done, third one is done. Then if you need to write a backslash, you can use row command. Else, if you didn't want to use a row command, you can just type a backslash, then a backslash. It's done. Okay. Oh, sorry. I have added a comment over here. Not the print. It's good. Now you can see there is a single backslash because this one is for escape sequence character. This is the backslash. Okay. Now you can get this file, so don't worry about the things. And this is also done. And then there is a this is used for adding tab. like this thing. It adds tab means four spaces. Okay, and wait a minute. You know that we can use this multiple times. You know. Now see what the funny thing will happen. Okay, got anything? Then this R over here, it uh, it used for printing the next one. Okay, okay, and then this backslash plus b, it remove the character means it just backspace. It's nothing. You know what the work of this R and this backslash plus b is? We if we want to write only word, we can. Who wants to write hello? It's just wasting extra time. This prints that to next page. It may vary in console. You can see like if I try this, it said it may vary in console. Okay, hello world, hello. You can see already told that it may vary in world, and this plus backslash plus v does the same thing. Move the text down vertically down means hello. It will do it like that. You want to see? Okay, it may vary in consoles. When I tried it in CMD, it just done like that I have told you here. And this is alert well. This just create a alert tone, beep sound. Okay, like at the place of this, I mean A. Now you see that sound that is used for this thing. Okay, and then this is okay. Here we need to write the octal value. There are four types of data representing systems: binary, octal, hexadecimal, and decimal. Decimal is the normal one. Hexadecimal, octal, and binary. Binary is used for like 0 and 1. Hexadecimal, 1 to 9, 0 to 9. Then 10 to I think 16 it is, 15 it is, like A, B, C, D, E, F. Yes, and octal is one. I think 1 to 8. It is 1 to 7. 0 to 7. This that is octal. So these are different types of values. Like this is used for octal values, and this is for hexadecimal value. You first need to write x over there and then the hexadecimal value. Then you will get this. Okay, and this thing is for a Unicode character, and you see this Unicode names. It is for this thing only. Here you need to write this name like this. What the thing is this? Oh, sorry. What error? There is nothing error. In which line this error occurs? Line 1. There is no error. I just do this. Now I will what the thing this is? Output terminal. I will just add this in CMD. CMD. It's just very annoying. Python, Python, mai, and main.py. Python can't open the file. No such file or this. Why I have created the main.py. MAN. Okay, I forget to write I over there. You see this delta sign? I don't know why it is giving an error in anti-gravity. Hmm. Okay, these are older chats also. I will delete this. Now what happened? It must give a new one. Yes, see, it have given a new one. So this is for printing Unicode characters, and then this is also for Unicode character for 16-bit hexadecimal code, and this is for 32-bit hexadecimal code. You can see the emojis also in the Unicode. Um, where are these? It have about 1 lakh lines, and I don't know why the Chinese letters are there. Um, like here the emojis were, I think. You guys, you can find that. It's annoying. Like, see this why the Chinese letters are over here. Like about 1 lakh lines of the Chinese letter are only. What the problem it gets? Somewhat are here. You can see, guys. You can explore. I will just add the link of this in description box. You can go and watch this. So this much for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.